Hi, and welcome to this video where we'll be showing you how to generate barcodes on the fly using Hector's asset management solution. So the first thing you need to know is that once you're connected within your instance, you can find this new barcode generation from two different areas. The first one is if you click New, you're going to have access to this barcode option under the inventory section. The second place where you can find this option is if you scroll down within the tools section of our footer, there's a create barcode link which brings you to the exact same place. So if we click on this new inventory barcode section, we're now brought to a create barcode screen. And we're actually going to use the asset model for generating barcodes. So if you want to know how to set up your barcode, there's a separate video for that. But in the settings barcode section, you're going to be able to modify the look and feel of your barcode. And this is where things get interesting, is you have the option here of putting a title in your barcode. So for example, here I could write computer ABCD, and then I can put in a specific barcode, which is going to be either the QR or the barcode. So I could come in here and write, for example, my company name 12345. So this is going to become the barcode that we see here. And I could generate one or multiple barcodes. There's no problem. So I could come in here and click 1, 2, 3, 4. And I could even check off the automatic increment, which is going to, if I'm creating 5 barcodes, what's going to happen is that my barcode here, let's say my sequence was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. The first one's going to be 1, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. So the idea here is that if we have multiple quantities generate and we want the last number to increment automatically, we would check off that. If we don't check it, it's going to print 5 times this barcode. Finally, we choose which one we want to print. So let's say I choose the QR code. When I hit print, I get a preview of my barcode, and then if I choose a specific label printer, then my format is going to adapt and I'm going to be able to print my barcode exactly like what is needed to fit on my label printer. So that's how you can use Hector to generate your own barcodes on the fly directly from the application. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the like button if you did, and if you want more content like this, please click on the subscribe button, and thanks again for watching.